Hello and welcome again. About 2 years ago, I was managing a small project for which I used to update the documents and plans on a frequent basis. One of these documents that I used to update almost daily was the project procurement tracker. It looked like something you see on your screens. This procurement tracker had a lot of cells which had to be filled for every single item that you requested to be purchased for your project. And working with such documents is hectic, as you know. If we want to add information to this procurement tracker, we will come down. For example, a new item is requested by someone, so what we have to do is we will come down and we will enter the number, name of the who has requested it. For example, let's say Austin, and the date it was requested. For example, it was 3rd April 2022. The item name, for example, a laptop for my project. The unit is pieces. The number of laptops required were 2. When they should be delivered to the site. So we needed 2 laptops and they should be delivered for the project on May 30, 2022. The activities that the laptops are required for could be written here. From here we can write down that it is in progress. So you have to follow the same process for each and single item that you add. And you have to, for example, come to the right and then go back to the left, come to the right, go back to the left. That will be time consuming and hectic process, especially if you're doing it on a daily basis. So let me teach you how to overcome this. Come to the top here. You will see the quick access toolbar. There are some items available here, which is the save button, the undo and redo buttons. Let's add the form button from here. Click this, go to more commands, and from here click commands not in the ribbon. Come a bit down, you will see forms here. In the F, form. Click form and add. We'll click OK. Form is added here. So let's change this information or this data to table. In order to do that, you go to Insert, click on Table, and select your boundaries for the table. And there you go. Click OK. Okay, this will be changed to a table. You can format it. For example, let's make it a bit simpler. Here is your table. You can use another method as too. Click this area anywhere in your table. Hold Ctrl key, press T. Then define your boundaries for the table. Click OK. My table has headers. These are the headers. OK. These are the 2 methods that you can create a table through. Remember that you should change your information and data on your spreadsheets to table in order to be able to analyze it. Once the information is converted to a table, then click on the form button here. Something like this will appear. See, what it shows you is the number of items. This is the item 1 out of the 35 items we have here, and the requester name is given, the date it was requested, item name, unit, quantity requested, and everything that you have in this table is shown in here. If you go to Find Next, it will take you to 2. So I want to add a new item. For example, concrete is requested for this project by myself. I'll click New. Number will be, for example, since the number is given here, we had 35, this will be 36th. Requester is myself, Qadir. The date requested is today, it's 26th April 2022. The item name is concrete. Unit is cubic meters. quantity requested, for example 6 cubic meters, when they should be delivered, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, for 2022. The activity that it is required for is the foundation concrete pouring. And the status is that I have just put my request in the ERP system or whatever I'm using in the company. So we will write down in progress. So once I close this should appear down here. As you can see, 36, I have requested it. All the information is given here. There are further features in these forms that you should know. For example, criteria. What does criteria do? As you can see, there is name Holland repeated many times here. I want to see all the requests made by Holland. Let's see and click the requester name and write down Holland, and then enter. Request number 5 out of 36 was made by Holland, and the date it was requested, the item description, the quantity, and everything. If you go find next, all the requests made by Holland will be shown to you. So this is what criteria do here. I hope you like the contents provided in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video in order to get more contents like this.